Hey, so again we have a time and work related problem. So let's first read out the statement. The statement says to do a certain work, C alone takes twice as long as A and B together. A alone takes 3 times as long as B and C together. All three together complete the work in 5 days. How long would each take to complete the work individually? Right? So now let's try and solve this. We are making two assumptions. First is the work we are going to treat as unit, that is 1. And second thing is working capacity. I'm referring as the amount of work or the fraction of work which can be done by A, B or C in 1 day. So A, capital A is the working capacity of A, capital B is the working capacity of B, and capital C we are referring as the working capacity of C. So if we read the statement again, it says to do a certain work, C alone takes twice as long as A and B together. This means the working capacity of A plus the working capacity of B is 2 times the working capacity of C, right? Similarly, the next part of the statement says A alone takes 3 times as long as B and C together, right? So the working capacity of B plus the working capacity of C is actually 3 times the working capacity of A, right? And according to next sentence, all three together complete the work in 5 days. That means if A, B and C, all of them are working together, they have to work for 5 days to finish the job. The job is 1 unit, right? That means in 1 day, A, B and C are actually finishing 1/5 of the job, right? Yes. So these are the 3 equations which we have recently constructed. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is the third equation, right? Now, what we have to find? We have to find how long would each take to complete the work individually. So basically we have to find the working capacity of each person A, B and C, right? So basically we have to find these capital A, capital B and capital C, right? So now we have 3 equations, 3 variables. Let's try and solve them. If we see the first equation carefully, it is A plus B is equal to 2C, right? And here in third equation we have A plus B, right? So if we substitute this A plus B by 2C, we will get 2C plus C is equal to 1/5, right? That means 3C is equal to 1/5 and C is equal to 1/15, right? So working capacity of C is 1/15. That means C is able to complete 1/15th fraction of the job in 1 day, right? So to complete the job, he will take 15 days. Right? And now let's have a look at the second equation where B plus C is equal to 3A. So here we have B plus C, and if we replace this by 3A, then we will get A plus 3A is equal to 1/5, right? we are substituting the value of b plus c from equation 2 to equation 3, right? And we got a plus 3a, that is 4a is equal to 1 by 5. So from here we will get a is equal to 1 by 20. If we divide both sides by 4, we will get a on the left hand side, and the right hand side will become 1 by 4 multiplied by 5, and 4 5s are 20. So a is equal to 1 by 20. That means working capacity of a is 1 by 20. That is, a is able to finish 1/20th of the job in one day, right? So a will take 20 days to finish the job if he is supposed to work alone on that job, right? Yes. And now what about the working capacity of B? Now here we have got the working capacity of C, and here we have got the working capacity of A, and if we substitute these two values in equation number 3, we will get the working capacity of B, right? So now let's do that. The working capacity of A is 1 by 20. B I am going to keep as it is, and the working capacity of C is 1 by 15, and together this is 1 by 5, right? So now if we reposition the terms, we will get B is equal to 1 by 5, and these two terms will become negative. So minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15, right? And now we have to take LCM. So LCM over here will be 60. 5 12s are 60. So this will be 12 minus 23s are 60. So this will be 3. And here we will get 4. 15 4s are 60. So this will be equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5 by 60. This is 1 by 12. So working capacity of B is 1 by 12. The B is able to finish 1/12th of the job in one day. So he will take 12 days to finish the job, right? So now let's note down our solution over here. A is taking 20 days. B is taking 12 days. And C is taking 15 days to complete the work if they are asked to work individually, right? So this is our solution.